chance to put early chops.
Do not press.
Who has two?
So let's get video interview.
Oh no.
You don't look that bad, Isaac. You're just like a 6 out of 10. It's okay.
I was thinking about my hair, but I'm bad.
Yeah, you're good. So you're like a soda out of 10 today. That's pretty good.
Nice to see you.
What? Do we have a bus already? You're gonna walk? Oh, yeah. No, I think we got a bus already. Is it Pineapple Carolina? Yeah. What? Wait, what are you talking about? The last bus driver said that to you? That's so weird. Pretty sure. Alright, you know what? Just take a video. It's so much easier. Alright, this is the one that I worked on. The Cherokee 140. This is the stuff left that we didn't get to finish. And then there's more stuff over there. Holy chunk! He's already buried! Big car! Big chunk of it.
Thanks for watching.